Hi, so I'm going to answer this question just regarding how I got the two different layers that I used in the tutorial that this comment was left on. So I have your design. You can do this with like any kind of welded text box or attached text box or any image that you have. So you go up to offset. On this design I did a 0.2, so 2, enter, wait for that to generate. So there we have our 0.2 offset, click apply, double turn black. I'm gonna just make it white so you guys can see. Actually we'll go a light blue. And you can see all the gaps in there. So you want to select your offset, contour. When that opens, then you want to select all of your pieces and do it down along the side, or you can do it on the image. Once you have those all selected, close out of it and you'll see all the gaps on your image are gone. So then when you want to size them, if you group them together, oh, excuse me, sorry, I'm not well today. So yeah, you can change the sizes and keep them together. And then when you click make it, up there, it separates them both onto your separate mats. Then you cut like you normally would, and then you use this as your bottom layer and the text as your top layer, and yeah, you're sorted.